Okay, this is a video about making a video and uploading it to YouTube. So the video we're going to make is with a visualizer that I'm going to be just making a short video about this microbit. So first of all, I'm going to start the visualizer software. So IPEVO or IPEVO, however one wants to pronounce it. So the visualizer software is up and running. When you move this around, you can obviously zoom in and do your focus. When you start, you're probably going to have this button here. So when you click it, it's going to be a photograph that will go to a folder. But I want to make a video, so I'm choosing the record button. So start the recording now. And remember the visualizer still has a microphone, so it's going to pick up what I say as well. So I start recording. It asks me where I want to save the work. And if you look here, I've already created a folder called Visualizer Videos on the desktop. So I'm going to put it in there. And now I'm recording. So what I'm going to talk about is the microbit. So this is the microbit. It has a processor and several other different devices on there. When we look at the other side of it, you can see it has an array of 5x5 grid of LEDs with two input buttons, input button A and input button B. Okay, I'm going to stop recording that. So that video is now on its way to my Visualizer Videos folder. I've finished using the visualizer, so I can close that. Let's open up the visualizers folder. So this is the file I've just created here. So before I play it and check it, let's give it a name. I'm just going to call it Visualizer Microbit. And let's just play. Can't spell visualizer clearly. So there it is.
I'm going is the microbit.
So this is hear that in the background. Me speaking with the different devices on. Excuse my dirty
when we look at the
glue stained fingers.
You can see it has an.
Okay, and I'm going to upload that now to YouTube. So let's go to our tab and sign into Google account. So we've got a Google account here. We've got our waffle. Scroll down to YouTube. If you've got multiple accounts, it might switch between accounts. So you may have to click on your icon and switch to your correct Wimborne Academy account. So that's there if you need it. At the very top, we have this create button here. So we're going to create and upload a video. So the video that we're going to upload is here. All we've got to do is drag and drop it into the right place. So that's now uploading. The title is currently Visualizer. It's currently what we've called it as a file, but you can call it anything you like. You can give it a description if you want. Don't worry about the thumbnail, that will sort it all out for you. If you want to change it, you can. If you want to add it to one of your playlists, don't have any on this channel at the minute, you can. So for instance, if you want on your YouTube channel, if you want one for assemblies, if you want a different one for a topic of science or a topic of or your subject or whatever you do, you can create those. I tend to say, no, it's not made for kids every time, just because I don't want to advertise it as a kid-friendly thing. We've then got that's the little visual icon that's going to appear, so that's fine. So now I'm going to go next. It's finished uploading. Any video elements, just move on and say next. Now, do I want this to be public or do I want it to be private? So in other words, only people that I specify can watch it, or unlisted, so it won't appear if anybody searches for stuff on a microbit and a visualizer. It won't appear, and it will only work if I post a web link to it, which is really good on Classroom because only people with the link will be able to see it. It won't be searchable otherwise. Or if I just want people to be able to see it on YouTube without worrying about who can see it, then I can go public. So for this one, I might say I'm going to go unlisted and then make sure I get a link for that video to then put around to everybody else who needs it. Do I want to make that, if I go public, I can schedule it to be available from a particular time of day. So once that's done, I can press save. It'll take a little while to go through. You can see my thumbnail icon of what's published, and I've got a video link there as well. So you can copy that link and post that onto Google Classroom, wherever you want to put it, into an email or something. Close, and that's it. Your video's there. It's now uploaded to YouTube. You can view it on YouTube with that little button, and away you go. It's all uploaded. So that's going to help with the whole buffering. That's going to help with the whole buffering and not downloading things every time we want to play anything for collective worship or anything. So hopefully that's straightforward. Come and see me if you need a hand with anything.